Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am going to make steamed fish in a frying pan. This is akong mga ingredients kay butter, garlic, onion, tomato, isda, sesame oil, garlic salt, oyster sauce, o miran seasoning, o brown pepper. Now that the fish is ready, kay gilimpyo naman sa daan, I'm gonna put the ingredients here. Now I am going to mix the garlic. Yan, ini ko man pag gunting sa sibuyas kaya tomato na sa akong ikat. Okay, ini ko pag sa tomato, ang onion akong i-slice. Now we are going to assemble the fish. Yan. Yan. Ato isun. First, I put in the bowl and I put the fish here. And after that, it's time to put the ingredients in the fish. The first one is butter. Okay. Okay, nanaasod. First, onion. And after that, we're gonna put garlic inside the fish. Leave some ingredients to garnish after. First, we have sesame oil, and we're gonna put this inside the fish. After that, we're gonna put it outside. Okay, sakto na. Leave. Ito i-rub. Ito pala i-rub. Nakalimut ko. Yan, ito i-flip. Okay. Yan. This is garlic salt. We're gonna put it outside and inside of the fish. Ang una kay gawas. Sakto na. Isusod. Kamayra. Okay. Next is oyster sauce. Datok te. Yeah, we're gonna put it outside first. Okay, kamay lang. Okay, okay man na. Last but not least, we have mirin. It is sweet vinegar, and we're gonna put it outside and inside of the fish. Kamay lang. Now we're gonna garnish the fish and put this around it. Yeah. Yeah. Na. After that, I'm gonna cover it with another foil. Ako ni siya hiton, pero I'm gonna leave some space for it to breathe. Make sure it's airtight so the steam will cook the fish. Now it's time to fry. Make sure the oil is hot enough to fry, so the steam will cook it. Okay. Good. Karon, ato testing on basta init ba o di. So, as you can see, pag kuman akong butang sa steamed fish siya pan, niburot siya. Ang kasabot na, galuto. Okay. Obli na, may tagi ng buto. Okay. Oy! Okay, stop. Fish if it is cooked. Wow. Wow. Smells cooked and delicious. Mana?